Yeah, man. But there, you know, KW Vegan Works. Yeah. So, yeah, man, it's all kind of vegan food over here. You know, it's crazy. Like, there's so much different variety. I think I'm getting to love it myself too. Yeah, man, it's pretty cool. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys what's going on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, man. So, yeah, people still coming in, and you know, everyone is set up now. Look, even Jessica is in line. They're getting her stuff. But yeah, I get Jessica. So they have all different variety here, menu board. Pretty cool, you know? All vegan, no meat, straight, natural. Yeah, man. So if you guys in the area, come on through and, you know, take a look. There's all kind of stuff here. You know, mac and cheese, everything is here. Everything. The burger over there is really good too. I tried them yesterday. Yeah, man, and they have more arts and crafts same way. Juice over there and thing. You can get your corn and stuff. Yeah, man. So, if you're in the area, yeah, man, come on through, alright? Yeah, man. Say what I go on, see? Yeah, man, get your sample of your Jamaican almond oil and thing. It's a little cloudy today, but you know, it's not. It looks pretty cool. It's cool, not cold, it's cool, and it's all right. Yeah, so we are going full joy at the moment, you know, and serve these wonderful citizens of Santa Ana, California. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, spread the love out a little more, spread it a little further. Yeah, man. Let everyone get a taste of the liquid sunshine, you know? Yeah. Are you back, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But we haven't nobody on our lives.
Well, there was one person on earlier, but like, it's okay.
They won't love us, Nigel.
Alright, we love everyone. It's okay. Yeah, man. Alright, guys. Take care. One love. Blessings. Alright? Yeah, man.